Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Saturn placement in birth chart from first house to 12th house. Saturn is a planet of practical knowledge. Saturn is a planet of hard work, worship, poverty, and you can say Saturn is a planet of all around struggle in life, all around fruits which you get after your struggle, after your hard work. So today I will describe the Saturn placement from the first house to 12th house. Which type of Saturn give a result from first house to 12th house in your birth chart. So Saturn has three aspects. First of all, I explain you something about Saturn. Saturn has three aspects. First aspect is third, from where Saturn placed. Second aspect is seventh, from where Saturn placed. Third aspect from 10th aspect, from where Saturn placed. So wherever Saturn plays in your birth chart, the Saturn aspecting on these three houses. If Saturn plays in your second house, then Saturn first aspect is in your fourth house, seventh aspect is in your eighth house, and 10th aspect is in your 11th house. So Saturn placement is very good in birth chart, but Saturn aspects are not very promising, because if Saturn aspect any house like Kendrasthan or Trikona Bhav, Saturn give delay in our aspect. Saturn give delays but not deny, because Saturn is a planet of the reality. Saturn is a planet of the practical life, and people learn a lot of things during Saturn Mahadasha. Saturn may well place, Saturn may debilitated. Saturn has one biggest achievements in planet, that is Saturn give a lot of practical knowledge to human. And Saturn is a planet, if you did something wrong in your life, and you are not try to do that thing in a nice way, or you are not trying to do that thing, solve that thing, or if you not follow the guidelines of Saturn, then Saturn will punish you. Saturn is a planet of all-round success, which is linked after your struggle and hard work. And Saturn is a planet is a great practical knowledge. Saturn is a bigger teacher in astrology. I love Saturn because I learn a lot of things from my Saturn placement and my birth chart. Because Saturn is a planet with great achievements after struggle, after hurdles. You will achieve a lot of things after great hurdles and great struggle, great delays, but you will get whatever you deserve. This is Saturn. So now I'm going to talk about Saturn placement from first house to 12th house. This will be a very interesting topic, because a lot of people, they want to know so you make videos on Saturn placement and Saturn aspect in birth chart. So let's start for the first house placement of Saturn. You don't consider in this video Saturn debilitated or debilitation or exalted in your birth chart. Forget debilitation, forget exalted. You just follow the placement of the Saturn from first house to 12th house. So let's start for the first house placement of the Saturn. If you have a first house Saturn, and Saturn aspect is in your third house, your seventh house, and your 10th house. In Kalpurush Kundli, first house is not linked with Saturn. Saturn is not comfortable here. If Saturn plays in your first house, you are very lazy. You are not, you are not very hard worker. If you did anything, in professional life, in you can say in past few months, you will get results very delay, because Saturn is in first house, is not comfortable position. Here Saturn plays will give you a lot of sorrow, delays, tension, hurdles, some eyes related trouble, some health related small issues, and your relationship with your spouse will be affected, because placement of the first house, seventh aspect is on your seventh house. I already told you Saturn aspect is not very promising, but placement of the Saturn is a bit better, far better. So, but first house in Kalpurush chart, this is a house linked with Mars and Sun. So if Saturn placed here, Saturn is not comfortable, but Saturn wants few things from your side. Be in discipline, be humble, be polite, be honest, try to do good karma and good public dealing with others. If you follow these old guidelines from the Saturn, and you have a Saturn in first house, you will definitely grow in your life. Otherwise, Saturn placement in first house will create some problems related to your health, will create some issues related to your eyesight related troubles, and you will be involved in a legal matters after your marriage. Your marriage life is not very promising. Relationship with your spouse is not very good. Your spouse is trying to dominate you, because Saturn aspecting is in your seventh house, which is not very promising. And the Saturn third aspect is in your third house, which will give you some confidence and strong willpower. But Saturn aspects, third aspect is not good. 10th aspect is not good. and 10th aspect is totally bad. Only placement of the Saturn is better, but in first house Saturn placement is not very promising. I'm telling you, in the terms of your health and relationship with your family, and your if you're a businessman, you will be suffer a lot in your life if Saturn is in first house. Don't try to do business, try to do job, try to do any work without your investments. If you go for any investment, you have to be patient and wait to get your money back with some profits, because Saturn placement in first house, those type of native, they may born in very good family, but they will face lot of struggle in life without any reason, because Saturn wants to show you the right path with great struggle, hurdles, and struggling is the best way to teach something, learn something. We are learning something in struggling days, not in a good days. So Saturn placement in first house will create some delays, some sorrow, some problems in your birth chart, and you are not comfortable in the terms of personal life as well as your professional life, or health related issues may arise in your life if Saturn is in your first house. Now I'm going to talk about Saturn placement in second house. If you have a Saturn in second house, Saturn is a bit comfortable here, because in Kalpurush Kundli, this is a Venus house, and Saturn aspect is on your 4th house, your 8th house, and your 11th house. Saturn will give very good results in second house in the terms of making money. You know how to save money, how to deal with others, you know how to live in a family. But the thing is that if Saturn Sun conjunction in second house, Saturn Moon conjunction, Saturn Mars conjunction is in your second house, there is a strong chances to live far away from your family or from your father, because second house is a house of your joint family, your savings, your money, your gains, and gains, you can say, sorry, it's not a house of gain, it's a house of your savings, it's a house of your large family, your way of talking, your communications, and your voice. Second house is also a house of your eating habits. So if Saturn plays in your second house, so those type of native are very much confused and very much disturbed in the terms of joint family, if they are living in joint family, because the relationship with the elders is not very promising if Saturn is in second house. But Saturn will give you a lot of money, good savings, good status, good lifestyle, and that type of native mostly eat non-veg. They are very habitual to eat non-veg. Now I'm going to talk about Saturn placement in third house. If Upchaya Bhav, if you have a Saturn in third house, this is one of the ultimate position of the Saturn. Saturn will give you a lot of fantastic results. You will get a lot of good gains through your hard work. Your struggles will pay off you. You will get a lot of money. You will get a lot of name, fame, prosperity. Your siblings will support you. You support your sibling. You have a very good tie-up with your friends and siblings. In Upchaya Bhav, in third house, Saturn will give fantastic results from, always give a fantastic result. If you have a Saturn in third house, it means you have a strong willpower and courage. You have ability to do something big and wonders in your life, because Saturn is in your third house. And Saturn third aspect is in your 5th house, Saturn 7th aspect is in your 9th house, and Saturn 10th aspect is in your 12th house. There is strong chances to settlement in foreign land if your Saturn is in third house, or you may involve in any business which is linked through traveling. And Saturn third aspect is in your 5th house, will create some problem in your education. You stop your education without any reason, or you are not focused on your study, your education is not very good, because Saturn is not representing the education. Saturn only represents practical knowledge. Saturn is not a planet who open the book like Jupiter. Jupiter always open the book, Shastra, Granth. This is a Jupiter. Saturn is a planet of knowledge which we gain from practical life. So if you have a Saturn in third house, and Saturn third aspect is on your fifth house, will create some problem in your education, love affair, and after marriage, your future planning. If you are female, then you may pregnant after some years of your marriage, like 4, 5, 6 years. The pregnancy is delay, birth of baby is delay if Saturn is in third house. That may be male or that may be female. But Saturn in third house will give you a lot of good skills, attraction power, and lot of success and achievements after your struggle. After your hard work, you will get a lot of milestones if Saturn is in your third house. Now I'm going to talk about Saturn placement in 4th house in your birth chart. If you have a fourth house Saturn, third aspect is in your sixth house, and seventh aspect is in your 10th house, and 10th aspect is in your ascendants. You are very lazy person. You are very choosy, lazy, and you don't have any good relation with your mother. You are always start arguments with your mother. Your mother has a short age, or due to your problem, your mother are facing mental stress. Your mother may love you, but your affection to your mother side is not very promising. Fourth house Saturn will give lot of problems related to your relationship with your mother, and some hidden savings, lot of problem for your learning, lot of problem for buying anything. But one thing is good: if you are dealing in any type of property business, if you are dealing in any type of vehicle sale purchase business, then Saturn will give some good results in your fourth house, because Saturn is the karak of all these things, like selling vehicle and property sale purchase. Saturn represent all these things, but fourth house placement is not very positive for Saturn. Now I'm going to talk about Saturn placement in fifth house. If you have a Saturn in fifth house, then your education will be affected. You drop your education, or there is a strong chances you will not focusing on your education even in small age of your life. And Saturn third aspect is in your seventh house, will give lot of troubles in your personal life. And Saturn 7th aspect is on your 11th house, and 10th aspect is in your second house, will create a lot of trouble and problems, because in 5th house Saturn is not very comfortable. This is a house of Sun and Jupiter. Natural significator is Jupiter, and Saturn if placed here will create a lot of issues, will create a lot of problems. But the thing is that Saturn is in 5th house, it's a Trikona Bhav. Sometime I saw a lot of birth chart. If Saturn has a great relation with your ascendants, then Saturn will give some positive results, like some gains through stock market for long term investment, not short term investment, not intraday. You will never earn money from intraday if Saturn is in 5th house. You will earn money from the long term investment, like 4-year, 5-year, 7-year investment in the stock market. And in 5th house, if Saturn plays, you are not educated. You are not educated, and you don't have any creativity. But Saturn show hard work, struggle. So you will get everything after your struggle and great hard work if Saturn is in 5th house. And aspects of the Saturn is not very promising, because 11th house is a house of source of earning, multiple source, and contact with higher authority. That type of native who has a Saturn is in 5th house, they always try to live in isolation, and they don't have any big friend circle, because they don't like friends a lot. They never trust easily to anyone if Saturn is in 5th house. And that native not very educated. I'm telling you again and again. Now I'm going to talk about Saturn placement in 6th house, which is very productive placement, and very 6th house Saturn placement will give fantastic results. This placement Saturn, you never under debts in your life. You will enjoy good health. You will enjoy good source of earning through your job. And you must be in job, you must be in a very good job designation. There is strong chances that type of native never involve in business. But in Kalpurush Kundli, Saturn represent 10th house, which is a house of business. And if 10th lord, like in Kalpurush Kundli, plays in 6th house, which will give you lot of gains through your job or through your business. If you are willing to do any business, you must start your some type of liquor business, oil sale purchase trading, and vehicle sale purchase, property sale purchase. This business will give you fantastic results if Saturn is in 5th house. 6th house. If you have a 6th house Saturn, you are very calculative, you are very talented, you are very lucky in the terms of profits after some wait or after some struggle or hurdle. Saturn is a planet. Saturn will give you everything, but after some delay, after some struggle, after some hurdles, because easy is not possible. This is Saturn tagline. Easy is not possible. Do some good karma. If you have a 6th house Saturn, and Saturn third aspect is in your your 8th house, and 7th aspect is in your 12th house, and 10th aspect is in 3rd house, there's strong chances to settlement in foreign land through your job, through your green card. There's a strong chances to settlement in foreign land, and you will get name, fame, lot of money if you try to settle in abroad. Because 6th house Saturn, 7th aspect is on your 12th house, and 10th aspect is in your 3rd house, which is also house of travels. 3rd house is also house on travel, and this is a house 4th. This is a 12th from the 4th house. 3rd house is a 12th house from the 4th house, which is also linked with the foreign. So if you have a 6th house Saturn, you will get some work permit. If you do some efforts, and you will definitely get work permit, and you settle in foreign land, but after some struggle and after some hurdles. Now I'm going to talk about Saturn placement in 7th house, which is very good. Saturn is very comfortable in 7th house. You will enjoy a good marriage life. Your wife will support you. And there is strong chances you may involve in love marriage. If Venus is also well placed in your birth chart, so otherwise Saturn will give you very good life partner, and your relationship with your partner will be excellent. Your source of earning will be rise after your marriage. Your good fortune started smile for you. Your hard work always give you fruitful results. You will get a lot of benefits. You will get a lot of opportunity related to your business. You become a very successful business. Your source of earning will be ultimate. You will enjoy a lot of gains throughout life. If Saturn is in 7th house, this is one of the ultimate position. In my research, if you have a Saturn in 7th house in the age of 48, you must buy 7-8 properties, because Saturn is a strong karka of the plots, real estate business, properties. So those native who have a Saturn is in 7th house always get wonderful results. And those native who have a Saturn in 7th house, they will get a good wife, honest, cooperative wife, and also, that type of native have a lot of source of earning, and they will get blessed from the large profit, a big amount of money from real estate business or vehicle sale purchase of business, or any kind of Saturn related business, like liquor sale purchase. You have a liquor showroom or a shop, or you have a oil sale purchase business, you have a vehicle sale purchase business. Whatever you do linked with Saturn, you will get blessed. Then Saturn third aspect is in your 9th house, 7th aspect is in your 7th house, and 10th aspect is in your 4th house, which will create some problem in your behavior and nature. You are very egoistic. You have a great attitude, because Saturn 7th aspect is in your 1st house. You have a great attitude. You are very egoistic, and you may respect your elders, but relationship with the family and friends is not very promising if Saturn is in 7th house, because you are get aggressive in a small talks without any reason. Sometimes you are start fighting with others, because you have everything. You have a lot of ego. You have a lot of attitude, because you have everything in your life. So if you have a Saturn in 7th house, you will get a lot of business opportunities. Business partner will knock you, and you will enjoy a lot of benefits, good gains, and a lot of good things will happen in your life if Saturn is in your 7th house. Now I'm going to talk about Saturn is in 8th house. Some Rishi Muni says 8th house is a headquarter of the Saturn. If any native have a Saturn in 8th house, he has a long age. It's a long age, because Saturn 8th house is a house of your age, your sorrows, your delay, and Saturn is the karka of all these things. Saturn is the planet of the age. Saturn is the also planet of the sorrow, hurdles, troubles. So if you have a Saturn is in 8th house, there is a mixed fruit you will get in your life, because Saturn third aspect is in your 10th house, 7th aspect is in your 2nd house, and 4th aspect is in your 5th house. You never have saving in your life if Saturn is in 8th house. You earn money, you spend money, you earn money, you spend money. You may get some good gains from your business, but your savings is not very promising. You have a long age, there is no doubt, but there is some health related issues also seen if Saturn is in 8th house. You are not live one track life, or you are not enjoy your health thoroughly throughout life on a one path. Your health is like this, up down. Sometimes you are not well, sometimes you are well after taking some meditation help or doctor advice. Saturn placement in 8th house may give you some unexpected gains in your life. There's no doubt you may get blessed with some unexpected gains, because this is also house of other people money. But the thing is that Saturn 7th aspect is in your 2nd house will never give you savings, good savings. Or relationship with your family will be destroyed. You never live in joint family if Saturn is in your 8th house. You live far away. You maybe live foreign land from your birth land. If you live in Mumbai, if you're born in Mumbai or Delhi, but you are living in America, Canada, or Middle East, Saturn represent Middle East. Saturn represent Muslim countries like Saudi Arab, Dubai, Qatar, and like Middle East. So Saturn, if is 8th house, you live far away from your place, and you may become good businessman, but your savings is not very promising. Saturn is in 8th house, will give you a lot of struggle and hurdles. You will get everything, but after great struggle, after great hurdles. So if you have a Saturn in 8th house, must consult with an nearest astrologer. He will guide you which type of remedies you need to perform, and which type of chanting you need to do, and which type of worship or which type of behavior you need to change yourself. Because you need, if you live with a joint family, you feel lot of blessings, because Saturn is trying to Saturn is trying to give some negative energy in the terms of relationship with family. You never live with your family. Now, if you have a Saturn is a 9th house, your fortune always work very slow. If you have a Saturn is a 9th house, this is a Karka house. This is one of the best in Kalpurush Kundli, Jupiter house. And Jupiter-Saturn relationship is not friendly, not enemy. This is a neutral relationship. So Saturn is a bit comfortable in 9th house, but you will get blessed with your good fortune very slow. Saturn is in 9th house and aspecting is on your 11th house, your 3rd house and your 6th house. You may under some depths. You are not feeling comfortable. Your fortune started smile for you after 48 years of your age. And before 48, you are struggling a lot of hard work, lot of struggle. You are doing lot of things, which is not very promising. Which is Saturn placement in 9th house may give you everything, but after the age of 48. There's a strong chances for long distance journey. If you try to settlement in foreign land, there is a strong chances you may get PR or work permit, but you are not satisfied from your earning throughout life. And after 48, after the age of 48, if you have a Saturn in 9th house, your fortune started smile for you. And you earn good money, you earn respect, fame, prosperity. And your siblings is not supporting you. You don't have any good tie-up with your siblings. You don't have multiple source of earning. You only do hard work and get some gains and you live your life. Saturn is in 9th house is not very promising, but in Jupiter house, it is create some adhyatmic yoga. You can say you may become a very good spiritual teacher. You may become a very good, yoga teacher, spiritual teacher, any type of teacher or lecturer if Saturn is in 9th house. So now I'm going to talk about Saturn placement in 10th house, and first aspect is on your 12th, 7th aspect is in your 4th house, and 10th aspect is in your 7th house. 10th house in Kalpurush Kundli, Saturn own house. Saturn is very comfortable here. You will become a good politician. You have a strong command in politics. You have a very good contacts in politics. You have a contacts with higher authority. You have a very good dealings with your friends. You have a large circle. People know you very well from your name. Yes, this is the person. He's the person, Mr. Rastogi, Mr. Rustam. Yes, he's the person, because Saturn is in 10th house, will give you very good results. You may start your own business related to real estate, vehicle sale purchase, or any type of Saturn related business. You may start any other business which is not linked with Saturn, and you will get blessed with a lot of profits, because Saturn is very comfortable in 10th house. You will get a lot of good gains after your hard work, after your struggle. There's no doubt, and you feel a lot of blessings. Saturn is one of the ultimate position. If you have a Saturn in 10th house, you may get government job. You will get name, fame, prosperity with a lot of money. You will get money from multiple sources. 10th house Saturn, a person is very, you can say, calculative mind and very soft heart person, and he always try to help others. 10th house Saturn, that type of native don't have a good relationship with our father, but by the grace of God, they are very fortunate in the terms of business. Relationship with your father or your mother is not very promising, because Saturn 7th aspect is in the 4th house. You will get fame, you will get a link in higher authority, minister is your friend, or you may become a minister. You have ability if Saturn is in 10th house. This is a very good position in your birth chart. About your government job, about your name, fame, prosperity, everything you will get easily. And if you have a Saturn is 11th house, this is an excellent position. Excellent position. 11th house is a house of fulfillment of dreams and desires. 11th house is a house of higher authority, contacts with higher authority, friend circle. You can say 11th house is a house of your spirituality gains, materialistic gains, finance, source of earning, multiple source of earning. Do you have multiple source of earning in life or not? If Saturn is in 11th house, you must have. If Saturn is in 11th house, you have a great intuition's power. If Saturn is in 11th house, you will have everything very easily in your life. You start earning money in small age, like after 16, 17, you are, in a daytime, you are in your college, you are at your education place, and at night, you are working something and you earn very good money in 2, 3 hours. If Saturn is in 11th house, that type of nature are very, very close to practical life. They will see very up and downs in short age, in small age, and but they rise a lot. 11th house Saturn, that type of person are very helpful to others. This is the one of the ultimate position of the Saturn. You will get fame, prosperity, reputation, respect. You will get good gains from your business if Saturn is in 11th house. You will get a lot of respect from your business associates. You have a very good tie-ups with your business associates. Everything you will get in your life very easily if 11th house Saturn placed in your birth chart. 10th house, 11th house, 6th house, 3rd house. This is the 7th house. This is a wonderful placement of the Saturn. So if you have a Saturn in 11th house, believe me, you are very fortunate. You are very fortunate for yourself. You are very fortunate for others. Savings will rise with each passing day of your life. If Saturn is in 11th house, you will get a lot of experience for practical life, and you may become spiritual guru, you may become yoga guru, you may become teacher, you may become a very successful counselor if Saturn is in 11th house. Saturn is in 11th house will give you lot of good things in your life, because 10th house and 11th house in Kal Purush Kundli, Saturn is very comfortable here. So if you have a Saturn in 11th house, you are very fortunate and lucky man. You will get everything very easily in your life. No need to do any hard work or struggle, because you are blessed man from Shani. You did good karma in your past life. That's why your Saturn is in 11th house. This is not a small. This is not a you can say. This is very well placement of Saturn. Very well. People are lucky if you have a Saturn in 10th house or 11th house. They may get government job. They may become any contractor. They may involve in any type of government activity. Their source of earning may came from the government side if Saturn is in 10th house or 11th house. So now I'm going to talk about Saturn is in 12th house. If you have a Saturn in 12th house, you will get mixed results of Saturn. But if you are interested to settle in foreign land, you will get PR. Very easy. You may start your own company in foreign land. In the terms of business or job, you will settle in foreign land if Saturn is in your 12th house. You will get a lot of achievements in abroad. Lot of achievements. And Saturn third aspect is in your 2nd house. That's why you live far away from your family. Saturn 7th aspect is in your 6th house. Saturn 10th aspect is in your 9th house. So all around, if you do your best, if you do your strong hard work, and if you do your lot of work and day night, if you become a workaholic, you will get very good success in foreign land. You will get name, fame, prosperity, money, but foreign land. You will get PR very easily. You will get green card very easily, because 12th house Saturn is linked with foreign. So if you have a 12th house Saturn, you don't start your own business at your birth land. You may become bankrupt, and you declare bank debt. You will have a lot of bad debts on your head if you have a Saturn is in your 12th house. Don't start any business and live in your birth land. Like if you live in Delhi, you don't stay in Delhi and start your own business. No, never. You may start your business, travel to Dubai, you try to settle in Dubai or America or Canada or any Middle East country. That will be very, very good for you. If you start your business in Middle East country, you will be blessed with a lot of good profits. Your business will flourish in short time, and your business will give you a lot of good gains. But there is strong chances some type of dispute with your family. You never get in touch with your family. You try to avoid your family members. If Saturn is in 12th house, you may enter some small debts in your life, because Saturn 7th aspect is in your 6th house, which is not very promising. You need to be careful about your health if Saturn is in 12th house. If you have a Saturn in 12th house, you must consult with your nearest astrologer, and whatever he suggests you about remedies, worship, chanting, you must do it, because Saturn 12th house will give you the mixed results in your life. Don't take planets lightly. Planets play a big role because planets are regular watching us, and especially Saturn is a planet of karma. Saturn is a planet of hard work, karma, passion. You can say Saturn is a planet. Saturn will give everything to every person, but as per your thought, as per your hard work, as per your karma. If you have a good karma, if you have a good thought, Saturn will definitely give you lot of good results. But after struggle, after hard work, be honest, uh, be in your limitations, and don't cross your lines, don't cross your limitations. You will surely blessed with the Saturn, and whatever Saturn give you, that will be with you forever. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar. Jai Hind.